How to measure Qi 1.2 bus. Connect the AO channel and GND to data in and GND of Nuvoton Qi transmitter respectively. Click the Acquisition of top toolbar. Click Trigger Properties. Set trigger level of port A to 2 volt. Set sample depth, frequency and trigger position. Set trigger condition. Click Single Capture icon. Start the device under Test. Group A0 channel into bus and find Qi protocol decoder. Configuring protocol decoder. Click Start the decoding in detail. Click the Show All Data icon. Click the Packet List icon. Click the Zoom icon. Drag the mouse from top left to bottom right to zoom in. Double-click the packet in the packet list and the waveform will be displayed synchronously. Double-click the packet in the waveform packet list will also be displayed synchronously. Users can use compression function to acquire more data. Click Single Capture icon. Start the device under Test. Check total length and compression rate.
Thank you for watching.